Today, we're creating an anime style action moment by adding anime speed lines to our clip. This instantly gives your video a dramatic fast motion feel, just like anime fight scenes or intense reaction shots. Let's jump in. First, import your video into CapCut and tap to select it. Now, go down to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, choose Video Effects. And remember, video effects in CapCut Mobile are applied directly onto your clip from the categories. Open the Comics tab. Here, look for an effect called Energy and tap to apply it. Right away, you'll see fast streaking lines appear behind your subject, giving that classic anime motion burst look. There are no sliders for this effect, so it's extremely simple. Just apply it and you're done. If needed, you can drag the effect along the timeline to decide how long the speed lines stay on screen. And that's it. You've successfully added anime speed lines in CapCut Mobile. Quick, easy, and super cinematic. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tips.